What is going on, guys? Is the Snesser here? Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, you skipped the cabinet. I'm not doing anything to you. I'm not doing anything. No. Yeah. Whoa, I got a new bird. Oh, my burger is ready. Woo. That's him. His name is Paco. Paco. He talks way more than her. This is my second time recording this because my brother called me and I didn't even get to do it natural and outro. And what? What, Paco? That was him. Well, my half eaten, more than half. College Junior. See, I need to leave all the fries for my sister, so. Alright. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Well, Paco. I wanted to recording and talking. This is like the setup, like the tree, the little ball, this is Lola's cage, my white one. This is the new cage. It's a lot bigger, but she likes to get on it. And this dude, we barely got him like 3 days ago, 3 or 2 days. He talks way more than him. They're rare in the United States because they're in South America, like in Guatemala where I'm born, and Mexico and all that. My dad really wanted one because like they sing and all that. Look them up. It's a yellow fronted Amazon, something like that. Hi, Pac. Hi, Lola. Hi. We're still waiting for her fellas to come back. We got her like that. Like let's see, let's show them. See, it's like all messed up. Just waiting. It takes time. Paco? Paco Loco! Paco Loco! Let's see. Let's see. That's my second time recording the same exact thing. Paco? 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 What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Say hi. 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 No? You don't want to talk? You were talking on video before. What happened? Hi. Paco. Hey, Paco. I'm still scared of him. Because he bit my mom and my dad. But my dad says that she bites better more than him. So, I don't know. She really bit me like 5 times. But she loves me. Hola, Paco. Paco, hi, you scared me. At least he's not trying to bite me anymore. Say Paco. Look at this girl. Look. She's about to come down. Lola? Lola? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing? What are you doing, Paco? Paco, what are you doing? This nigga's coming down. What are you doing, Paco? Paco, 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 Paco. I get you. I would whistle, but I don't know how to whistle. Like, what are you doing? Alright, bye. Paco, we have the cage open, but like the first day we got him, he got out, but I don't know, he never got out after that. Hi, Paco. Hi. Hi, no, don't get scared. I'm just checking you. Hey, no. He's about to get the food. See, this we just made food. Pass these. Over here, let's see my burger a little bit colder. Yeah. You don't need to see this. Mm. Well, dude, the burger is bomb. What is it? This Carter Jr. Bomb burgers. Well, I was trying. You kind of heard him talk. I want to try to get a better video of him. And if you guys seen the fight, I keep saying fight. The rap, the freestyle that the guy did in my school. If you want to see part 2, comment or message me or like whatever, and I'll post part 2. And if you guys don't do anything of that and I don't got videos to post, I'm gonna post anyways. So sorry for not uploading for the past like a week or 2. I've been busy. I've been doing all this shit, like focusing on school. So yeah, I'm gonna be with this dude. Let's see. Let's just try to. I'm gonna eat and put you guys to him. Yeah. You guys want some, huh? See, talk. Paco. Paco. Well, I think you guys heard him. I'm about to see the replay. Let's see, what song is it? Because I'm playing the song, like, but that. Hi Paco, qué qué chulo. Let me talk to him in Spanish. Ay, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Qué chulo. Yoo-hoo. I can whistle, I'm telling you. Yoo-hoo. That was his whistle. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yoo-hoo. See, this is what I like about this bird. Yoo-hoo. Yoo-hoo. Here comes the devil. I'm just kidding. Yoo-hoo. Oh, she's getting on me. So cute. Dang, it's an 8-minute video. Well, here's this little girl. Well, you guys heard him whistle. I know it's a long video. I can cut it. I can do anything about it. So, if you guys made it this long, thanks for being in this long video, watching everything, hearing him whistle. He's still doing it a little bit. Well, like, comment, subscribe. I'm here with my birds, living the life. And always remember to dab. And this is Necio and Paco. No, he just won't talk. And Lola. This is Necio, Paco, and Lola. And we are out. Don't what you doing? Oh yeah, look at that mystery face. And we're out. So see you guys later. And it's a 10-minute video. Oh my god. Deuces.